Are you tired of using multiple products to clean the various surfaces in your vehicle's interior? Well, look no further with DP Interior All-in-One. This incredible product not only cleans and shines all of your plastic, leather, and vinyl surfaces, but also leaves protection behind for future upkeep on all your interior surfaces. Simply spray them and wipe for a clean, shiny finish without any greasy residue. And with its UV ray wear and tear protection, you can have a peace of mind knowing your car's interior is protected for the long haul. So whether you have kids, pets, or a messy passenger, DP Interior All-in-One is the perfect solution for keeping your dash, door panels, and seats looking and feeling great. Don't waste your time and money on multiple interior products when you could trust in DP Interior All-in-One to cover cleaning, conditioning, and protecting all of your interior surfaces. So upgrade your vehicle's interior with DP Interior All-in-One at Autogeek.com.